there's a major pattern forming on the 1-day chart that you are not going to want to miss. It's going to have some serious implications for the Bitcoin price in the next couple of days and weeks, guys. So if you want to know what we're talking about and how we're able to predict all these things time and time again, stay tuned to find out. Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Stocks and You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, all right. So let's get right into it, guys. So the 1-day chart for Bitcoin is, I just have noticed that we have a very, well, not just, I actually noticed this like 2 days ago. We are forming a very important channel here. Look at this. Look at this, guys. So this is a very, very clear channel that we have established, guys. And it's always nice to find these channels because they give you some very, very clear opportunities to take on price movements, guys. So as you guys could see, obviously this channel is quite significant because we have been, let me show you guys. Okay, so we have been respected right here. We couldn't get above here. We couldn't get above here. We got rejected. And now it looks like right here again, we got supported here, here, and here, guys. Look at all these points of support. Now it seems like this is going to be a rejection because we are swiftly approaching the 200-day moving average right here. This red line is the 200-day moving average, guys. And it just doesn't seem like we have the steam to get above the 200-day moving average. And usually after we have been dumping so much, we're probably going to take, and this is my personal opinion, guys, not financial advice, it is probably going to take like 1 or 2 or possibly even 3 tries for us to get above the 50-day above the 200-day moving average, guys. That's just normal. I mean, we've built up the steam to get above the 40,000, mid 40,000s, or really low, the low 40,000s to mid 40,000s, because we were around 30,000, 33,000, and now we're doing good, guys. We're forming higher lows every time, and what we want to see is us form another higher low if we're going to come back down and retest some lower parts of these channels. So I personally think on the 1-day chart that it is not out of the question for us to come back and retest at minimum, guys, 41,000. Let's see, right here at the 50-day at 41,500. I think that is likely gonna happen, and I'm actually gonna stake some positions on it, guys. I have a right now I'm in a short position, very small short position, because I just think that the overall macro trend is down, even though on the 4-hourly it does look like we are looking somewhat a little bit bullish, because we've bottomed out here and now it looks like we're trying to get a bounce back. So ultimately I do think that what's gonna happen is we're gonna get a pump on the 4-hourly, and then we're gonna get swiftly rejected again, probably at 48 to 49,000 tops, and then we're gonna come back down and like probably dump even more, because to me the 1-day looks tired, guys. It looks like it's running out of steam. Right here we've already maxed out the momentum waves, basically. Like there's like just not much more you can keep doing it, so you can keep pumping, which leads me to believe, remember I've told you guys time and time again that these bring the price down with it, guys. So what is the price going to be when this line is all the way down here? I think at least 41,500 to maybe 42,000. That's just what I think, guys. My personal opinion. Once again, not financial advice, but I do think that is a very likely possibility. Same here. The momentum, guys, it looks like it's tiring now. We could very well start to see blue momentum and pumping again. But like we did here, it starts to kind of slow down, and then eventually we get the red, and that's usually when it takes us down. I mean, look at this, guys. This is just, it's pattern identification, guys. And to me, it seems like we're likely going to come back down and retest 41,000. My worst case scenario personally is like around 38,000 to 39,000. If we can stay above those patterns, prices will still be bullish. That's what I personally think. Ethereum, very same thing, guys. Forming this pattern right here. I mean, there's the pattern right there, right there, right there, and then right here. It looks like the 200-day moving average is probably going to be resistance again, guys. There's not much more we can pump on the 1-day, guys. I mean, could we pump a little bit more? Yeah, we could probably pump more. Like, I mean, it wouldn't be out of the cards to see something more. But at the end of the day, guys, we are in overbought territory on the 1 day for both Bitcoin and Ethereum on the RSI. Momentum waves here are maxing out, and it just looks like we're coming down to retest some of the lower time frames. Once again, building higher lows here, guys. So we want to keep seeing another higher low. I think for Ethereum, it would not be out of the cards for at minimum for us to retest 2,850. And at the very lowest, I would think that we're going to retest 2,650. That's at the worst, guys. So that's kind of what I think. Obviously, we have yet to find out, but that's my personal opinion for the next couple of days, that I do think that we will retest the lower parts of these channels unless we get some massive momentum towards the upside and these predictions get completely invalidated and we go up to like the 90 on the RSI, and we could probably reach like 3,700 on, you know, Ethereum, and probably Bitcoin could probably go to like maybe 51,000 and then come back down and retest. But it doesn't seem likely right now. Of course, once again, this is crypto. Anything can change at any moment. But for the moment, it just doesn't seem that way, guys. That's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.